Welcome, engineers. Today we're demonstrating the Molarity Interactive Calculator, which solves molarity, volume, moles, mass, and dilution calculations for chemical solutions. This calculator features a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options: calculate molarity, calculate volume, calculate moles of solute, calculate mass of solute, dilution calculation using M1v1 equals M2v2, and calculate molecular weight. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Molarity. The input fields include moles of solute in mol, volume of solution in L, molarity in M, mass of solute in G, molecular weight in G per mole, initial molarity M1 in M, initial volume V1 in L, final molarity M2 in M, and final volume V2 in L. Let's work through an example. I'm entering 10 for moles of solute, 10 for volume of solution, and clicking Calculate. The calculator returns a primary result of 1/1000 m, which represents the molarity of our solution. The output also explains that this solution contains 1,000 moles of solute per liter of solution, confirming our concentration calculation is correct. This tool streamlines molarity calculations for laboratory work and solution preparation, ensuring accuracy based on your input parameters. Simplify your engineering workflows today. Find the link in the description below.